For this lesson, you are going to take a look back at two stories we've read before, Energy from the Sun and the Three Sisters Farming Method, and you are going to be comparing and contrasting them. So let's review. Compare and contrast. Okay, think to yourself, draw back, what do these words mean? Hopefully you've heard them before. Okay, saying what is the same and what is different. Comparing, saying what's the same. Contrasting, saying what's different. So if I have two people, say I have me and Miss Bjorgan. So comparing, we are both 5th grade teachers. We are both married. Contrasting, she has kids. I don't have kids. Okay? So what's the same? What's different? I could compare and contrast two sports. Football and baseball. Compare, what's the same? You run in both of them. Contrast, a baseball is played with a smaller baseball, it's round. A football is a different shape, it's bigger. There's lots of rule differences. So, what's the same? What's different? You could compare Fortnite and Minecraft. Now, I can't compare those because I don't know anything about them really. But you would probably be able to compare and contrast them, or two of your favorite movies. So we can compare and contrast just about anything. Today, you are going to be comparing and contrasting these two texts. So you'll want to take a look back at the stories, at the texts, because it's been a couple of days since you read them. So go ahead and open up the book, because the texts are not in the assignment. So you can take a look back at Energy from the Sun, the Three Sisters Farming Method. Then the assignment, there is a Venn diagram where you can write your answers. So here you'll write what's different, so what's true about just Energy from the Sun, what's just true about the Three Sisters Farming Method, and then what is the same. All right, so really try and think, okay, what do these texts have in common and what is different about them? So they both talk about how living things survive, how living things get energy. So this one talks specifically a lot about energy. This one talks about how decomposers work. This one doesn't say anything about decomposers. It talks about how the plants break down, but not specifically about what decomposers are. It talks about how the different plants have the different nutrients that they give us. This one talks about how plants convert sunlight into energy. So there is a lot there. Make sure you look at the text back and forth, and then you can just keep switching between them and looking for what is the same, put it in the middle, what is different, put it on either side. Please do fill in each thing. So 3 things that are just true about Energy from the Sun, 3 things that are just true about the Three Sisters Farming Method, and then 2 things that are the same about them. If you want to squeeze in more below, you can, but you don't have to. But I do want you to do 3, 3, and then 2 in the middle. Good luck. Let me know if you have any questions.